Maine has all the pieces in place to reduce home electricity consumption in a radically personal way with a first-in-the-nation education technology initiative that provides laptops to all 7th and 8th grade teachers and students and 95% smart meter penetration. If every household in Maine reduced their electricity consumption by just 5%, Mainers would save $37 million and reduce their carbon output by 192,000 tons per year. PowerHouse provides students with access to their electricity consumption data. Online curriculum guides teachers and students in making sense of this data. Inspired by the Green Energy Tracker concept that was a winner in DOE Contest Number 1, we used the ISO New England Web Services API to overlay carbon impact on individual household electricity data. PowerHouse has added a total carbon data overlay. This data, represented by the orange line, connects energy behavior in the home to climate change and enables students to make data-driven decisions. Students are provided with the total carbon output of their home's electricity use on an hourly, daily, monthly, and yearly scale, as well as the percentage of sources being used to make that electricity. This carbon value is determined by using statistical data provided by the IPCC, expressed in CO2 equivalents per kilowatt hour. By investigating questions such as how clean is my shirt, students will be able to make informed decisions not just about how they use electricity at home, but when they choose to use that electricity. Through PowerHouse, students become a driving force in reducing their household carbon footprint while gaining meaningful skills in rigorous data collection and analysis.